In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a pop-up calendar date picker in Google Sheets. This is a great feature that allows you to easily select dates from a calendar rather than manually typing them in, reducing errors and making data entry much more efficient, especially if you're dealing with large amounts of date-driven data. Let's start with something really simple. When you need to use the calendar for a single cell in Google Sheets, it's incredibly easy. All you have to do is type the text @date directly into the cell and then press Enter. Immediately, a pop-up calendar will appear, allowing you to effortlessly pick the date you need by simply clicking on the desired day. It's a straightforward yet powerful tool to help streamline your tasks. Now, let's say you want to apply this functionality to a range of cells, which is more common when you're dealing with datasets that require date inputs across multiple rows or columns. Here's how you do it. First, you'll want to click and drag to select the range of cells where you want the calendar pop-up to be available. Once you've done that, look towards the top of your screen and click on Data in the menu bar. From the drop-down menu, select Data Validation. This is where the magic happens. In the data validation settings, you'll see an option that says Add Rule. Go ahead and click on that. This brings up the criteria options for data validation. It's here that you want to choose Is Valid Date from the list. By setting this criterion, you're telling Google Sheets that these cells should only accept date formats. But we can take this a step further to ensure accuracy. Just below the criteria selection, there's an option to reject the input if the data is invalid. Selecting this option means that if someone tries to enter anything other than a valid date into these cells, Google Sheets will reject the input, minimizing errors and maintaining the integrity of your data. Now, there's one last step to make sure everything's working as it should. Once you've set up your data validation rules, simply double-click on any cell within your selected range. You'll notice that a pop-up calendar automatically appears, making it very simple to choose the correct date. This functionality not only helps with consistent data entry, but also speeds up the process significantly. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you can easily integrate a pop-up calendar date picker into your Google Sheets workflow, saving both time and reducing the chances of mistakes. Whether you're managing project deadlines, organizing events, or entering customer information, having a calendar at your fingertips can make all the difference. Thank you for watching and happy scheduling.